Hi, my name is Walter Rowe and I'm a Capture One affiliate. There was a question posed on a Facebook group asking whether you are restricted to only viewing 11 images on the screen at one time. And Capture One, and the answer is it depends on whether you're in the browser or in the viewer. Here I am in the browser. You can see there's a total of 40 images in this session. And I can adjust how many of those are displayed by changing the size of the thumbnail. If I select here, let's go and select 18 images, and then I use the G key to switch to viewer, you will see that there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 displayed, and then it says and 7 more. So 11 and 7 is 18. That's how many I had selected. So in viewer, you are restricted to only 11 images. In addition, in viewer, the zoom, the adjustment is actually adjusting the zoom level for the given image. It is not adjusting the size of the thumbnail that is displayed on the screen. If I switch back to the browser mode, then I can go back and adjust the size of the thumbnails and the number of images that are displayed on the screen. Hopefully this helps answer the question and shows that it's the answer to the question is it depends. Viewer mode, you are restricted to 11 images and you can't change the size of the thumbnails to show more. In browser, you can change the size of the thumbnails and thus you can show fewer or more thumbnails on the screen at one time.